you. Bore da, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to welcome you to Cardiff Metropolitan University graduation ceremonies for the class of 2022. You have made it. Boneddigion y boneddigesau, rydym yn fac a'i croesawu y seremoniau Graddio Prifysgol Metropolitan Caerdydd, a gyfer y myfynwyr 2022. Da iawn chi. Just a couple of housekeeping points. Can you please make sure your mobile phones are on silent for the duration of the ceremony? We don't expect any fire alarms today, but should the unexpected happen, staff from the Wales Millennium Centre will escort you to assembly points. We would ask that you remain in your seats until the conclusion of the ceremony and the stage party has processed out. Let's show our appreciation for all of our students by applauding and cheering as the graduates process across the stage. Please be upstanding for the academic procession. Diolch yn fawr.
Ladies and gentlemen, I declare this congregation open. Please be seated.
I call upon the President and Vice-Chancellor, Professor Cara Aitchison, to make the opening address.
Bore da, a chroeso cwnes ion in ceremony radio. Lord Mayor, Chancellor, colleagues, graduands, families and friends, it's our great pleasure to receive students from across Wales and the wider world here this week for our graduation ceremonies for the class of 2022. And we're delighted that our ceremonies take place once again in this beautiful building that's come to symbolise Wales, our nation's culture, and now our hopes for the future. And this is a ceremonial occasion. It's evolved over the university's 157-year history, but it's also a celebratory occasion. And I encourage you, our graduands, to show your appreciation for your fellow students as they cross the stage by applauding the last as loudly as the first. And when you embarked on your student journey as long ago as 2018 or 2019, no one imagined that by the time we reached this day, we'd be coming towards the end of a long and testing global pandemic, and that we'd now be also witness to a war in Europe. You've had the most challenging of journeys, and your time at university, I'm sure, has not been all you might have imagined or wished for. Each of the last 3 years has been disrupted by COVID, and I know that you will at times have felt disappointed, frustrated, and perhaps during those lockdowns, even lonely. But you're here now because you've overcome all of those challenges. You're here now because you've been successful. And in most cases, that success will have been supported by many of my colleagues here on the stage today and by many of the congregation members, the families and friends that are joining in your celebrations today. So I'd like to take a moment at the beginning of today's events for us, myself and my colleagues, to show our appreciation of you, and perhaps a moment for you also to show your appreciation of those families and friends that have helped you achieve your goals of being here today. Well done. Diolch. And while the coronavirus pandemic has undoubtedly brought the worst of times, it's also shown the very best of our Cardiff Met community. And you, our students across the university, worked in accredited NHS laboratories undertaking PCR tests. You staffed test, trace and protect services. You supported parents with homeschooling, and you delivered sport, health and well-being activities to our schools and communities. And our staff responded quickly and effectively to develop and deliver online learning and teaching. They created and donated PPE and testing equipment. They hosted Wales National Blood Donor Centre and a COVID testing centre on campus to reduce footfall to hospitals. And they managed accommodation and catering on campus for frontline workers, for international and care leaver students, for whom Cardiff Met became home during the lockdowns. And I'm extremely proud of the way in which our students and our staff lived the values of our university and responded as one community to the pandemic. You, our students, from the School of Management, you've demonstrated enormous resilience in your response, and you've delivered excellence in so many areas. With the launch of the Welsh Cyber Resilience Centre, you became the first students in the UK to work as client relationship managers for a cyber resilience hub. The centre has gone on to recruit a further cohort of placement students and has offered a permanent position to one of the original team. And School of Management students also worked with Cardiff Met Sustainability Manager to support our university's target of being a net carbon zero university, delivering plans for reducing energy consumption, setting up carbon literacy resources, investigating air source and water source heat pumps, and setting up baseline measurements for net zero carbon calculations. These are experiences that will transfer across into the business world, which now actively seeks recruits with these skills. You were the first cohort to be offered a volunteering project in your second year, allowing you to focus on supporting causes close to your heart, and I was delighted to see projects developed with the British Heart Foundation, Teenage Cancer Charity, and homelessness and mental health charities. You also studied, many of you, through the medium of Welsh and have worked collaboratively with Coleg Cymraeg Caerdydd, being appointed as ambassadors for Welsh medium courses. The school has signed a cooperation agreement with a leading Indian Institute of Management, IIM, ranked well into the top 100 in the world, and we're looking forward to hosting further students from that institution next semester. The School of Management has also welcomed the university's second Council for At-Risk Academics Fellow from Afghanistan this year onto the Doctorate in Management programme. And demonstrating its impact on local business, the school has successfully started to deliver cohorts for the UK government's flagship Help to Grow management programme, with Welsh SMEs benefiting directly from the expertise of staff within the school. So both students and staff within the School of Management have done so much to keep our Cardiff Met community, our schools, our wider communities across Wales, and our international communities going through COVID. And I'm particularly grateful to all of you for the service that you have given. You're now about to become part of the Cardiff Met alumni, and we want you to feel really proud of your university. A university that's grown, that's diversified, and that's improved significantly, even during the short time that you've been with us to date. And our success is evidenced by the awards of the Times and the Sunday Times Welsh University of the Year 2021, and even more recently, the award of the Times Higher Education UK and Ireland University of the Year 2021. Our School of Technologies, launched in 2018, now has over 1,000 students in new accommodation on the Llandaff campus. And our Global Academies, launched in 2020, are delivering cutting-edge research and innovation in health and human performance, human-centred design, and food science, safety, and security. Open Campus, our initiative to provide sport and physical activity opportunities to 10,000 students a year from 30 schools across Cardiff, won the Successful School Years Award at the inaugural Purpose Coalition Levelling Up Universities Awards 2022, demonstrating our commitment to Cardiff schools. Almost 40 students and alumni and Cardiff Met staff will represent Wales at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham that start next week. And we're also committed not just to Cardiff and Wales, but to our global community, where we offer degrees to over 11,500 students who are currently studying Cardiff Met degrees, with 17 partner colleges in 15 countries around the world, and many of those students will graduate here today. As a designated university of sanctuary, hosting academics and students who've been displaced by war and conflict, we'll continue to support those from Afghanistan, from Ukraine, and from other countries around the globe. And we've recently twinned with Skowheroda National Pedagogic University in Ukraine. And we're providing support and access to learning resources and research opportunities to ensure that students and staff in Ukraine can continue with their education, even though their university is in a war zone and has suffered missile attacks. This week, over 5,000 students from the class of 2022 and from over 100 countries will graduate with Cardiff Met degrees. I'd like to read that full list of countries, but let me just say it starts with Afghanistan, it ends with Zimbabwe, it includes Ukraine and Russia, and together all of our students and graduates seek to make a difference in the world to peace, prosperity and social justice in Wales, in the wider UK and all around the globe. And it's education that will change the world. It's education that is our soft power. It's our catalyst for economic prosperity, for social mobility, and for cultural inclusion. So as graduates of Cardiff Met, I ask that you continue to be our catalyst for change, that you celebrate our university's values of creativity, diversity, freedom, and innovation, and you live our behaviours of leadership, trust, courage, and accountability. And your university's motto is, "The most valuable possession is knowledge." And you now have that valuable possession. So as you make your way in the world as the change makers and the peace builders in our communities and all around the globe, your journeys will no doubt continue to encounter challenges along the way. And I ask that you remember, as you encounter those difficulties, that you are exceptional. Each of you is one of the class of 2022, the class that overcame some of the biggest challenges in the most difficult of times. You have the knowledge, the skills, the experience to achieve your ambitions and your dreams, and you also have the skills to enable those following in your footsteps to succeed. My colleagues and I are extremely proud of each and every one of you, so please be proud of yourself and all that you've achieved, and enjoy this great day of celebration and ceremony. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
I call upon Professor David Brooksbank, Dean of the Cardiff School of Management.
President and Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students who've been awarded within the Cardiff School of Management. Dr. Kelly Young will announce the students who've been awarded the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Business and Management Studies.
Cameron Brough. Harry Campion. Sean Nicholas Charles. Alfie Gibson. Will Hughes. Hassan Khaled. William Rigg. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management Entrepreneurship. Parash Adhikari. Darius Michael Davis. Daniel Gerardo. Ratu Maleli Tanikana Navikova. Joseph Slawinski. Ronaldo van Heerden. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management Finance. Mulham Ibrahim Khalif Al Mawali. Luke Arnott Cleverly. George Kafaki. Abia Al-Khatim. Madeleine Olivia Jane Harrison. Roserin Koskakan. Henry Lovegrove. Jack Stephen Joseph Montague. Alicia Nasir. Jed Nichols. Lewis Oates. Hubert Pagos. Rhys Pierce. Harrison Tresida. Saffron Walters. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management, Human Resource Management. Amran Delul. Isha Devgan. Leah Morgan. Tyler Matthews. Malek Mamoom Kahil Samuel. The following student has been awarded the prize of Business and Management Studies Student of the Year for highest average grade across the whole programme. Agnieszka Anna Korka. Nicola Mutton. Akram Omar. Yasmin Spenati. Hula Zahid. The following students have been awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management. Elliot Folkes. The following students have been awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management International Trade. Tanzima Akhtar. The following students have been awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management Law. Hodo Abdi. Marcus Brown. Kobe Chung. Anne Churcher. Keira Elizabeth Davis. James George Aiken. Jessica Herbert. Scott Jones. Al-Sharami Mohammed. Jeremiah Esoza Obamwobi. Alec Barnby. George Prince. Victoria Raymer. David Rees Tweety. Caitlin Felicity Weston. Charlotte Victoria Williams. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Business and Management Marketing. Matthew Bennett. Sanya Azam. Chloe Brown. Alice Nia Davis. Katie Hill. Owen Hopkins. Daniel Jeffries. Curtis Hicks. Anthony Lamerton. Shannon Looms. Samuel McClure. Nathan Rhys Morgan. Alex Benjamin Newell. Harry Roffey. Destiny Taylor. Chris the Lacadan. Elijah Thomas Frost. Khalid Ullah. Joanne Williams. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours, Business and Management, Sustainability. Chloe Louise Bowen. Jack Clark. Tia Elise Davis. Jason Davis. Connell Alexander Maxwell. Jessie Davis. Louis Dorey. Mae'r myfyriwr canlynol wedi ennill y gwobr Gareth Jones ar gyfer ymroddiad ac ymgysylltiad gyda'i astudiaethau. The following student has won the Gareth Jones Prize for his engagement and commitment to his studies. Jacob Edwards. Albie Egerton. Jenna Evans. Cassie Graves. Benjamin Lewis. Alexandros Neos. William Price. James William Salt. Ria Smith. Corey Taylor. Tegan Thomas. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours International Business Management, and I'm pleased to announce that the following student has also won the International Business Management Student of the Year, Ricardo dos Santos. Math Yorweth Scott. Diana Isa. Matthew Johnson. Elisabetta Khalil. Anika Kuterer. Khan Gayan Van. Santana Pavel. Syed Nofil Rasul. I'm pleased to announce that the following student has won International Business Management Student of the Year, Carolyn Annika Schultz. The following students have been awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Global Business Management, Human Resource Management. Amrish Vikash. Usman Karichiwala. Solaya Tayo Mustafa. Chinedu Daniel Nusabusi. I'm pleased to announce that the following student has won the Global Business Management Student of the Year Award, Ovi Martin Obangaremu. Ridwan Adalama Olola Alakan. The following students will be awarded the Bachelor of Arts Honours Global Business Management, Logistics and Supply Chain Management. Kalb El Haider. The following students have graduated from our partner institution, Superior Institute of Science and Technology, Morocco. Nada El Gulay. Iman Musafa. Kenza Sifar. Samia Amashwur. Haytam Ziwi. Khalid Yazid.
Dr. Jun Zhang will announce the Master of Science in International Business Management.
Joy Emalele Aregi. Victoria Abosede Sunday. Eliana Reoli Chavez. Zainab Opeyami Lagude. Zabihala Nizahat. Solomon Olowasegan Omisabi. Sadu Rahman. Daviyaba Sabila Sain Rana. Ekemini Udu. Anjabaha Rohidas Kamobo. Rus Kravezra Baroonas.
To receive the award of Master of Science in Entrepreneurship and Innovation Management, Damalola Josephine Ukap. Saddam Hussein Ali Al-Mufasa. Dr. Julia Fallon will announce the award of Master of Science in Project Management.
Chimeka Ben Egbuja. Oye Fasobi Sigis Adeniji. Adidapo Omathola Adewusi. Keodi Simeon Fattaroti. Oluteo Lanre Ibikunle.
Thank you, Doctor.
Ayukunle Olabode Kalade. Stephen Orobosa Ogieze. Michael Oluwatosin Ajagan. Tololope Ayotunde Rensoe.
Dr. Anja Cockrell will announce the Master of Science in Strategic Marketing.
Sheldon Dunbar. Amber Lewis James. Megan Matthews. Hannah Morgan. Rebecca Donoghue. Serena Pierce. Liberty Nwaimo. Pavi Ravindra Agarwal.
Dr. Joyce Costello will announce the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Advertising and Marketing Management.
Daniel Gezrabash. Annabelle Gilder. Zoe Powery Smith. Nonye Iwanko. Nicola Sharma. Vicky Vipmund. Tyrone Christo. The following students will be graduating with the BSc in Marketing Management: George Brown, Joseph Burgess, Daniel Kenny de las Heras, I'm pleased to announce that Ella Marie Camprisi will be awarded the Marketing Management Student of the Year. Aaron Kennedy, Sophie Lamble, Elena Malardi, Kanya Mitswini, Jonathan Page, Ignacio Aurora Sorev, graduating with a Bachelor of Honors, Public Relations and Marketing Management, Rebecca Bradshaw. Madison Hong.
Catherine Cousins will announce the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Fashion Buying and Brand Management.
Nikita Jones. India Poppy Flynn. The following student has been awarded a prize for the BA Fashion Buying and Brand Management Student of the Year. Anna Forti. Ellen Prophet.
Joe Wilshire-Tidy will announce the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Fashion Marketing Management.
Ross Brock. Emily Davis. Poppy Camilla Double. Amelia Edwards. Molly Evans. Olivia Rose Fremantle. Georgia Fuge. Lauren Amelia Gilbert. Naomi Hall. Shauna Hancock. William Harper. Lily Harris. Megan O'Leary Holland. Grace Hughes. Esme Jones. Magdalena Kreuslak. Anna Lamb. The following student has been awarded a prize for Fashion Marketing Management Student of the Year, Molly Morris. Lucy Olivia Parish. Alice Scrimshaw Wright. Bridget Smalley. Lucy Underhill. Ellen May White. Mfanwi Williams. The following students have been awarded the Master of Science in Fashion Marketing Management. Hannah Bullimore. Subra Chatterjee. Mark Cox. Josephine Claxon. Nicola Davis. Isabel Davis. Talia Hacker. Mohammed Shahid. Charlotte Sharples. Hannah Louise Warden.
Dr. Hannah Marriott will announce the Bachelor of Arts with Honours in Digital Marketing Management.
Callum Edwards. Joshua Elliott. Callum Smith. Jacob Cressy. Nicholas Morgan. Dean O'Rourke. Sarah Martin Smith. And I'm pleased to announce the prize for Digital Marketing Management Student of the Year is Anna Meyer-Williams.
Dr. Anja Cochran will announce the Master of Science in Digital Marketing Management.
Bushra Barra. Wahiba Eid Laglifa. Sulaiman Khalifa. Harshit Kapil Kaku. Bernice Naanov. Jake David Stacy.
At this stage of the ceremony, I'm delighted to announce that the Cardiff School of Management Dean's Award for the academic year 21-22 goes to Sean Charles, a graduate who graduates today from the BA Business and Management course. Thank you. It is always wonderful when I ask my academic colleagues if they remember a particular student from a particular year, and they immediately respond positively with both vivid memories and pride. And in the words of his programme director, Sean has had a particularly interesting path to where we find ourselves today. At the age of 15, he was diagnosed with an inoperable brain tumour, for which he received chemotherapy, and after a period in remission, at the age of 16, it returned. After 3 years of hospitalisation and treatment, he was left unable to walk, talk, and complete everyday tasks, all of which, of course, as you can see, he had to relearn over time. Sean has defeated cancer twice, but it's left him with complex medical conditions. Sean began his studies with us in the management school on the foundation year for business management, during which time he attended numerous volunteering workshops to develop ideas to help charities, and completed his studies in that year with excellent results. And he then went on to study the first year of the BA Business and Management course, but was forced to suspend his studies for further medical reasons, and on returning to his studies found himself amongst a new cohort, which was particularly challenging, especially as it was in the middle of the pandemic. During his second year, he took part in our Next Tourism Generation competition, which was a competition to attract tourists to Wales in a sustainable way. And he won that competition for his fantastic ideas around using solar roadways and wind tree turbines to generate green electricity. He also took part in the Enrich Your Pitching Skills workshop, at which he presented his work with Young Lives versus Cancer, also known as Click Sargent. And from this, he became a volunteer for them and the Teenage Cancer Trust, raising money and awareness through numerous fundraising events and giving guest speaker talks at local colleges and sixth forms. Sean has completed the Cardiff Met Award, and as well as over 100 hours of voluntary work as course rep and fundraiser for those two charities. He's always supported the university through being a course representative, engaging activities, competitions and events. And his social media openly praises the work of the university, and he is vocal, virtually, about the excellent provision and support he's received from the university. And as such, he has become an excellent ambassador, both as a fundraiser for teenage cancer and through widening participation activities. It is clear to all of us in the School of Management that Sean demonstrates the characteristics of resilience, engagement and perseverance which we aim to develop in all of our graduates. So once again, can I ask you all to join me in congratulating Sean as I ask him to cross the stage again to receive his award. Thank you, Sean. Thank you. No, it's a single student. To receive the award of a Masters in Science in International Business and Management, Kausara Adiatu. And Dr. Ricky Lee will announce the Master of Business Administration.
Abdrad Mohammed Mini. Dolapo Yatunde Bakari Kalowali. Roslyn Tatilayo Adisola. Sopika Shand Moga Sundaram. The following students have been awarded the MBA Human Resource Program: Kushunagi Mata. The following students have been awarded Masters of Business Administration: Wathuyud Temi Topi and Ifosorsi. Simayet Adiniki Aji Bate. Ifenwongi Azuka. Vavi Teja Radi Dagola. Punand Chandra Rao Briram Puneni. Vinay Danda. Harish Kumar Anantula. Kali Sai Tanlam. Tinoi Francis. Liad Issei. The following students have been awarded the MBA's Project Management. Emmanuel Assay. The following students have been awarded the MBA of Business, the Masters of Business Administration, Sajun Jayan. Arjun Jose Minatipana Ramembu. Dennis Joseph. Atiya Devi Prasad. Melvin Solomon Matthew. Sandeep Singh Jaji. Jesby Kaul. Wasim Mohammed. Sajid Mohammed. And Maria Cheriam. And Candida Gubel. Mohammed Ifran Malik. Shiva Gold Matu. Mary Adilolad Omiyani. Gladys Palmer. Sivani Posina. Sadip Walakonda. Opilula Ilulua Wufis. Solomon Sabu. Nishan Deep Kadaka. Ninu Philip. Jules Scaria. Anita Saji. Adi Lakshmi Shankar. Anusha Talukuntang. Jaswanti Kamumanu. Oscar Tameli. Adiyeli Fatimo Ajibarika. Vavi Charand Bate. Diju James. Donny Wanki. Vinu Vishunu. COVID Vini Pali. The following students have been awarded MBA from our Dimension College. Tiwa Kia. Hoi Su Ui. Okay. The following students have been awarded MBA from our College of in Sri Lanka. Ruwini Taridi Disanyaki. The following students have been awarded MBA from our partner college in Greece, Nison Olalawi Ojulai. The following students have been awarded MBA in Business and Analytics pathway, Mobolaji Oluwankami Ayilola. Choimoa Charity Awoni. Cynthia Sishomoji Azulalam. Azwatalam, sorry. Abukowu Adisana Toritisi. Mary Jane Aluwu. Ayobami Jimimindu Oladejo. Pradrod Chowdhury. Chirini Bute. Okay. Ahinand Habino. Thank you. Alex Jijan. Ashwin Pamesha. The following students have been awarded MBA in Finance. Dorcas Uman Miri. Licha Davis. Laxman Abhimanyu Kalani. Smriti Sharma. The following students have been awarded MBA in Human Resources: Hiomad Charlene Jackson. Abularalam Ala Taro Mumunwini Aslonulum. Olusegun Ayomiti Omundumati. Nisa Kondut Kundari. Alubusala Folasawiwa Maradasa. Obina Kinsley Uch. Mohammed Manud Asaf Alif. Pavin. Pashnanthi Rapolu. Karishma Soni. The following students have been awarded MBA in Marketing: Vidant Danji. Atar Khan. Banud Prankash Parisa. Vikash Kumar. Shibam Kumar Joshi. Samurudi Sagonka. Aman Singh. Hari Kiran Matari. The following students have been awarded MBA in Project Management: Bushad Yosaf. Shivani Qatar. Nisha Tapa. The following students have been awarded the Masters of Business Administration: Bukalat Rita Balogan. The following students have been awarded MBA in Supply Chain and Logistic Management: Ashley Abraham. Abby Abraham. Sanjit Algungo. Monica Caerdydd. Many Alongovan. Shivansand Shivanivas. Yogeswar Gantupali. Fahad. Muhammad Kalati. Janamd Mukako. Temitopi Annex Adikunel. Atiyat Janyam. The old Benny Chowdhury. Josh. Ajay Kajiro. Jason Yaya Jayama. Mohammed Tankuwiti. Mohammed Anas Malapalali. Anu Tampi. Shabin Nazir. The following students have been awarded MBA with Business Analytics. Manu Joes. Okay. The following students have been awarded the MSc in Project Management. Ilayi Estad Omar Shaya.
Steve Bibby will announce the Master of Business Administration Executive.
Emma Bourdineau. Tony Davis. Yayan Saint.
So at this stage of the ceremony, could I ask all students from Cardiff School of Management to please stand? So, President and Vice-Chancellor, I call upon you to admit these graduands.
By the authority vested in me by Cardiff Metropolitan University, I admit you to your various awards as indicated in the programme and to all the privileges of those awards. Congratulations, Class of 2022.
Congratulations to you all once again. Graduates, please be seated. And I now call upon the University's Chancellor to address the audience.
Ladies and gentlemen, and specifically the graduating class of 2022, congratulations on your success. What you have achieved during a particularly difficult period of time is exceptional. The staff and the governing body of the university are immensely proud of you and of your achievements. You are now alumni of and ambassadors for Cardiff Metropolitan University. As a graduate, you are part of the growing community of Cardiff Met alumni around the world, currently numbering some 215,000 graduates. You are starting a new chapter in your life. The university will always be here to support you, and we want to continue to help you to make a success of your life. We offer practical and individual advice on employability and careers to all our graduates, so please do ask if you require any advice or support. We also offer financial support via discounted fees to those progressing to master's level programs within the university. So please keep in touch, allow us to continue to help you, and let us know about all your successes. We know you will go on to achieve great things in your life. You, the graduating class of 2022, have acquired an education and a set of professional skills underpinned by values that will enable you to touch the lives of others in your professions and careers as global citizens and with your friends and family. You have the power to do much good with the education you've gained at Cardiff Met and with all you've learned about how to live and work with others by using your talents to help to bring peace and prosperity to the world and to bridge its many sad divisions. In doing so, you will inevitably face new challenges. But you've overcome many of those already. And there'll be a constant need for further development, of course, and growth, so you can continue to reach your full potential at all stages of your life. We will always be here to help you to do the very best that you can. On behalf of us all at the university, we wish you every success for the future as a Cardiff Met graduate. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Ladies and gentlemen, and you, the class of 2022 graduates, boneddigion a boneddigesau, a chi, graddiadigion dywi fi a 22. We hope that this day was worth waiting for and that you have enjoyed the graduation ceremony. Do continue to celebrate throughout the day and have a safe journey home. Please can I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the platform party has left the auditorium. I call upon the Chancellor to formally close this ceremony. Diolch yn fawr.
Ladies and gentlemen, I declare this congregation closed. Many congratulations to you all.